Trivia A Go-Go.
I gotta say, I like this. I like this new game.
You like this new game? Pretty, isn't that?
It's very pretty.
That's Chelsea Allen from Spartanburg, South Carolina. Let me tell you something. My lady friend Chelsea there is handling those shoes in a big way. That's not an easy task, dancing in those kicks. Those are good for you. Good for you. Okay, we're gonna call a lady today. It's working! Oh my gosh.
I hope she's home.
It just made a weird sound, sweetie.
Oh.